So today I'm going to show how to recover any hard drives deleted files. So first you have to go to Google and next you have to search recover and click on the first link, recover software free download now, and you can find a green color of link free download. Click on that and after downloading you have to go to your downloaded files location, and here in my PC this files was downloaded in downloads box, and after finding it you have to double click on that, and before clicking you have to memorize one things, that your Wi-Fi connection should, you have to turn off your Wi-Fi connection. So after turn off you have to double click on recover setup. You may have to give a permission to install it. You have to give it permission, yes. So click on installed, click run recover and click next. Here you can find many more types of files: picture, music, document, video, compressed email. You can also click on any specific files which you have to recover it, but now I'm going to recover it all types of files. So click on all files, next. Here you can see uh, many kinds of media on my media or card iPod. You in my document and also in recycle bins files also you can recover it. And if you have any specific hard drives, external hard drives, you have to click on in a specific location and go to browse. After click on that you have to find your hard drives and select it and click OK and click next. If you have to go deep scan you have to enable this. So after enable you have to click next button, and here you can find many types of files. One are red in color and another is yellow in color, and rest of these are green in color. So here three types of files you can see. The green colored files are totally you can recover it, and yellow colored files are partially damaged. It also you can recover it, but it was partially damaged, and red color files are totally damaged. So now I have to recover it these files. You have to select these files which you want to recover it. So click on these files. After selection you can find this recovery option right bottom of this corner and click on that. You can see many more drives and location. You have to select a location where you have to recover it, and you can also create a folder. Here I'm select F drive and make a folder named rec 2. So after creating click OK, and now this files was recovered. Okay, let me check this files where was recovered. So go to F drives and next rec 2, and this files was now completely recovered. So in this way you can recover it all kind of files. So thank you for watching.